everybody, it's What About Frank. So I decided to do a Mandalorian cosplay, but I didn't want to make it out of foam. Lucky for me, I had somebody 3D print it for me. It was 3D printed by Six Creative. I'm going to put the link on the bottom below so you can get stuff done from him. He does a really great job. Starting with the helmet. So that's the Mando helmet 3D printed. Doesn't get better than that. Basically all I had to do was paint it and kind of weather it and polish it, as you can see there. And I also put a visor so I can see through, kind of car tint visor. It's a little dark, but I can still kind of see. And I did put some sponge on the inside just to kind of hold my head in place. And he did a great job. It looks legit, just like the show. The other pieces I have so far is the breastplate, as you can see there. I kind of put some Velcro on it, so that way it kind of sticks to the costume. This is the costume, by the way, the vest and the sleeves. He also gave me the shoulder pieces, which again, they're also Velcro, but I might use some strong magnets instead because I'm having problems with them staying on. But I also painted them as well and weathered them. As you can see, the Bersker piece, or whatever it's called, Bersker, but whatever how it's called, considering how much I love the show. And that's it for part one. I'm going to continue working on the rest of the costume, and I'll update you as I go along. Next will probably be the pants and the other armor pieces and weapons as well. So tune in.